this video, I will show you how to delete applications on your Samsung Smart TV. This is easy. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if on your Samsung Smart TV you want to delete some applications that you installed on it, it's very easy. This is what you are going to do, and I will show you in this video. First thing, you have to connect to the internet and then turn on your Smart TV like I've done. Now this is my Samsung Smart TV, so you might have the same interface like me. So if you come back to this area here, this is the App Store where you can install more applications to your Smart TV or your Samsung Smart TV. So if you want to install any application, just come over to the App Store and search for the application. Now you come over to this area here, this is where the installed applications are on your Smart TV. So you go back to the application you want to uninstall or delete from your Samsung Smart TV. Like for instance, you want to uninstall the YouTube application or Spotify application for your Samsung Smart TV. You come over to the application, and if you check at the top of my screen, there's an instruction that says click to manage application. So you look on your remote control, you're going to locate the key called menu. And you locate the menu key, just click on it, and it's going to come over here, and it gives you two options: the remove or the open option. The open option is to launch the application, the remove is to delete or uninstall the application. So that the option we're interested in. So once you click on the option, your Smart TV is going to ask you this: do you really want to uninstall the application? So if you want to uninstall the application, just click on OK, and the application is going to be uninstalled or deleted from your Samsung Smart TV immediately. But if you change your mind, just click on cancel, and the application is not going to be deleted.